face has been smooth, pimple free. And then I'm like, in the night, I'm going to finish up this video because I want to go back to my normal skincare routine. And boom, I woke up with pimple. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. So today guys, I'm going to be trying out a new skincare product that I just discovered. Okay, it's an affordable skincare product, a cheap skincare product. It's a cheap skincare product. Okay, at first I was like really skeptical about getting it. I'm trying to like get my face in order, and then I'm about to try out something new and something cheap. So it was like between you're about to ruin your face and you're about to restore your face. So I'm like, I don't know. I mean, if I don't try it, how will I know it's not working? Okay, so I decided to share it with you guys. And I discovered this product at Kmart when I was trying to buy something. Then I saw the brand, okay, but I was scared, like I said initially, and I just got the eye cream. And I've been using the eye cream, and I mean, it's been okay. So I was like, you know what, let me go and test out the rest of the products. Why not? I mean, if I knew that if I started using it and it wasn't working, I would just stop. But here we are, trying to do this intro, and me rambling as always. So let's get to this video, guys. Okay guys, so the product, the brand is called Anko, ANKO, and they only sell their products in Kmart. I got it on 30th September, right? And I'm going to leave a video of me. I used it the same night, and I'm going to show you my face before I started this whole process. Okay, today is 3rd October, yeah. So I started using it on 30th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. This is the 4th day. Okay guys, so first of all, I got the Micellar Cleansing Gel. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now they have a micellar cleansing water, they have a face wash, face cleanser, and they have this cleansing gel. Okay, I didn't want to get a face cleanser because I already have a face cleanser, and I don't want to leave my face cleanser because it has really helped me a lot. This is the rose water and lavender water. Okay, it contains rose water and lavender water, and it's for sensitive skin. They had another one, but that one was for all skin type, and I feel like I have sensitive skin because I really do break out a lot. I use it as my first cleanse, and then I go in with my normal face cleanser, and this retailed for $3. And it contains 300 ml of products, right? Crazy. Guys, so next thing I got is this glow illuminating polish mild exfoliation containing glycolic acid, AHA, jojoba oil, orange essential oil. I was about to call it jojoba oil, and then I remember the way they called it jojoba oil. Okay guys, so this is the one I got. Okay, and it had two types. It had like the, should I call it like the strong exfoliation one, and this is the mild one because I'm testing it out. I don't want to like kill myself. All right, okay. They don't have any fragrance. Like, I mean, that's a good thing. Like, there's no fragrance in all their products, and I'm surprised. Okay, there's no fragrance, nothing, which is great because I heard fragrance is bad for the skin. I mean, I know. I've tried and it breaks me out, so I know. And so yeah, this is the second thing that I got. He said is mild, so those particles inside are not like so strong like to scrub your face. It's actually like melting as you're using it, and it's pretty okay. I'm going to take you guys through this process maybe like for 1 month. I don't know how long you're supposed to use a skincare product before you can judge it, but then I'll keep using it for like a month and show you guys if it worked or not. This scrub retailed for $4. Okay, the cleansing gel $3, the scrub $4. Okay, so the next thing I got after that is their lip set. Okay, so this is from their rose ship jojoba oil line. Okay, like I said, they have 3 lines. They have the vitamin C line, they have the charcoal line, and they have the rose ship and jojoba oil line. Okay, so this came together, and this is lip scrub and this is lip treatment. Okay, so I was having this thing on my lips. Okay, my lips were really breaking, and I mean, it's no longer there, and I've been using it for 3 days or 4 days, like I said, and I like the lip scrub, and I have the lip treatment on my lips right now. I use this like every day, morning and night, and guys, this thing lasts on your lips. Like when I apply this in the night and I wake up in the morning, it's still there, and I'm like, have I not been turning and turning? Like, does it mean I sleep in one position, or is it that it doesn't go off? I don't know, either of them. But then for the lip set, I think it's okay. I mean, I like it. Retailed for $3. Okay, guys, so the next thing I got is their face toner. Okay, so, and this is from their vitamin C line. So this is supposed to brighten and firm. Oh, okay, the line is called Brighten and Firm Vitamin C and Collagen. Okay, yeah, so this is their face toner with orange oil. Okay, for a radiant complexion, no artificial fragrance, paraben or MIT free, and it contains 150 ml worth of product. Okay, the toner retailed for $5, and I've been using it morning and night. Okay, when it comes to marks, they have the peel off marks and they have this sheet marks. Okay, they also have a sheet mask in the vitamin C line, which I used. I'm going to show you here so I don't have the pack again. And I got this one from the charcoal line as well. Okay, so the vitamin C mask is supposed to hydrate my skin, and it's just for night, the intense night sheet mask, and it contains hyaluronic acid. Okay, and this one is the charcoal max pore refining, contains hyaluronic acid as well, hydrating and clarifying. All right, so I mean, it's just like max. Okay, it has serum, you put it on your face, leave for 15 minutes, take it off, that's it. It's moisturizing, it's great, it's hydrating. $3 for the max. All their max was basically $3.50. I just picked that two to just try it out. So the next thing is their serum, and this is still in the same vitamin C. This is still in the same Brighten and Firm vitamin C and collagen, and this is their day serum with orange oil for a radiant complexion, no artificial fragrance, and 30 ml worth of product. Okay, so the serum is $6. So the next thing is their eye cream. Okay, still in the same Brighten and Firm vitamin C collagen. So this is more like an eye gel. Well, it says eye gel. Okay, so this is the first thing I got, and I've been using this for 2 weeks. I got this before the rest, and honestly, it's not like it's targeting anything in particular. The only thing I know it does for me is moisturize my under eye area. Like my under eye area, guys, is really moisturized, like soft and not dry. It doesn't dry down, and it's just amazing. Okay, it is amazing. So the last thing I got from them is their moisturizer. Okay, so this is from the same vitamin C line, and this is their night moisturizer. I don't know if you guys can see this, and of course the same thing, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid night moisturizer with orange oil, night treatment, no artificial fragrance, 100 ml. Yeah, so it's white inside. And the same thing with the day moisturizer. I mean, I don't know why they called it day moisturizer. They didn't add SPF inside it. I mean, since you guys divided the whole thing, why don't you just add SPF in this? And they don't have any SPF, so I still use my own SPF on top of it. They both retailed for $5 each. All right, so okay, let me tell you what I think about these moisturizers. Okay, these things feels like mattifying primer. Why would I want to add a mattifying primer on my face as a moisturizer? It dries down like a mattifying primer, the two of them. Okay, I used it in the night and I was like, okay, let me hope that the morning one is going to be different. I know I don't want my face to be shining and, you know, oil dripping on my face, but I need it to be hydrated. Like, why are you not supposed to be moisturizing my skin? Why are you priming it? I mean, it dries down mad. Okay guys, so I'm going to come back in 2 weeks and show you guys the process. Hi guys, so welcome back. The last time we saw each other, the last clip was on 30th September, and I know I promised you guys I'm going to do like 2 weeks checkup, 2 weeks checkup, blah blah blah. Guys, I've been like extremely busy, and then I'm like, I'm going to do it on the 30th of October because, you know, 1 month gap. Still like not have time till today. Today is 12th November, guys. 12th November. I finally had time to finish this video. That is so weird. Anyway, my final thoughts on this video, guys. Let me just tell you guys one thing that's annoying me right now. Okay, so I've been using this product for 1 month and my face has been smooth. Just my face being smooth. The black spots are still there, but my face has been smooth, pimple free. And then I'm like, in the night, you know, I'm going to finish up this video because I want to go back to my normal skincare routine, and boom, I woke up with pimple. Okay, so about the skincare product, right? It's great, honestly. Like, I feel like this skincare is really great. Like I told you guys, I did not break out at all except for today. I wish I filmed this yesterday. You guys would have seen no pimple, but then it did not break me out. It did not ruin my face. The only thing I know it didn't do is to, you know, my black spot, but I can't say for sure that it didn't do anything. But I really can't see the difference when it comes to like the black spot I have. But then the only good thing is that I don't have new black spots, no new black spots, but like the old ones are still there and nothing, it's not going, and that is okay. That is okay. So I'm going to run you guys through and tell you guys what I'm keeping in my routine and what I'm taking out and all that. Why am I dancing with my hands? Okay, so first off is the cleanser. Okay, so this is the Micellar Sensitive Skin Cleansing Gel. All right, so this is great. Okay, I don't usually go in with cleansing gel immediately when I'm taking off my makeup. I use like a micellar water to cleanse my face first before going in with this, and I can say for sure that this cleans your face. It cleanses your face, it cleanses the makeup off, even though I double cleanse. Okay, I have another cleanser that I use, but this one is great. It's really great actually. Like, it's so weird. Look at where it is. It's like here. Yeah, yep. Then the next thing is the moisturizer. Actually, the two moisturizers. Okay, so this is the day moisturizer and this is the night moisturizer. Guys, the moisturizer, I don't think I'm going to keep on using the moisturizer. I'm not sure because this is so thick, guys. This is like extremely thick. Like when you apply this on your face, guys, like you have to blend and blend and blend and keep rubbing your face until it melts into your skin. It's like, and it's still like much because I use like very little. That show you like it just, the first time I tried using it, I took a whole lot and oh my god, it took forever to blend it in. Okay, so now I use like pea size. Pea size. I'm not sure I'm going to buy this again. I'm just going to keep it here and use it once in a while. I mean, it's not causing any damage, so I'll probably just use it like once in a while, but It's not going to be like an active moisturizer in my skincare. Next thing here is the Glow Illuminating Polish Mild Exfoliation, guys. This is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. And for me that have sensitive skin, guys, like any scrub that I use, it's always like too harsh for my skin. It's like it leaves me red, like red. But this is great. This feels like applying cream on your face, except that it has those actually I don't know what they call those things. Okay, like, you know when you have scrub, now let me explain. You know when you have scrub now, there's this thing that when you rub your hand, it has this friction. You know, those tiny things. Yeah, it does. It's inside here, but it's not that harsh. It doesn't like scrub your face, leaving you with like pains all over your face. No, this is so mild, like mild exfoliation. It's really mild, and I'm going to keep using this because this is the only scrub that I've used that my face agrees with. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using that. And then the next is the face toner. Okay, this is the vitamin C and collagen face toner, and this is where it is because I use it like morning and night. Okay, I use it like morning and night. Like honestly, I don't have like much to say about this. And then the next thing here is the serum. Okay guys, so after I filmed the first part of this video, right, I went back to Kmart to get something, and then I noticed that they have the night serum. I mean, I should have known, but I guess that day it wasn't on stock and they don't have it, I guess. And for this one, I've used it. It's gone. Ooh, okay. Ooh, all right. It's like done and dusted. All right. I used it fast because I had to always blend it in with the moisturizer both morning and night for the moisturizer to at least, you know, soften up, because it's so thick. Like it's so thick. So I needed to always add the serum to be able to use the moisturizer on my face. The eye gel. Okay, so this is one I'm so super excited about. This is the eye gel, and it's not like I didn't buy it to target any dark circles and all that. I just bought it because I needed to moisturize my under eye, you know, just to keep it moisturized, because when you moisturize on the eye, when you apply concealer and your makeup, it doesn't really dry down. It's so nice. This is so nice. Like this is so nice. When I use this, I mean, I've been using it, but when you use this before your makeup, this is amazing. This is so amazing. So I'm definitely going to buy a new one. This is almost finished because I bought this first before I actually bought the rest of the skincare products. So this is almost done. And then the last thing is the lip set. Okay, there's the lip scrub and there's the lip treatment. Okay, I know I said I was going to be using this every night, but I don't know, I just use it every time I see it, and I remember I'm like, oh, I just have a lip scrub. I mean, it's great, but then it has like oil. Okay, it has oil in it. That's why I think that's why I'm not really like particularly happy about it. But then my problem with this is that it has oil, right? When I scrub my, let's say I wash my face and then I scrub my lips with this, and then you try to wash it off, guys, this whole place will become oily. So I have to go back in again and wash my face like a couple of times to get rid of the oil. So I'm not really that excited about this. It's not so okay with is the lip treatment. It's really moisturizing. The lip treatment is like okay. So this is like $4, $5 skincare product. I feel like if you have like a good skin, you know, let's say your skin is spotless, you don't have issues like us trying to clear some black spots, and you're afraid of using something that will break you out, I think this is a great line. Like it won't break you out, but it won't fix anything. It's like the only thing it fixes is not to break you out. But then if you're trying to target some things like black spot and on the eye bags and the rest, it's not going to do that for you. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell me in the comment section what you think about this product, if you've heard of them and if you've used them, and if they have other lines, and if the other line works better than the vitamin C line. Okay, and I would like to know what you guys think about this skincare product, and I'll see you guys in my next video.